Email Marketing 101. What is the best way to email market your business? Hello, America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing USA with a marketing tip of the day. Today, I want to talk to you about emails. So I've had some comments on previous videos. People say, what about email marketing? You never talk about email. That's how I market my business. Is that the way I should be marketing my business? Well, the answer to that question is both yes or no. So you've got to remember today, people are over emailed. I mean, I read some research the other day, the average person is receiving 250 to 300 emails a day, right? And they've got spam filters set up to block stuff out. There's just so much marketing that's going via email. It's really hard to get attention of the prospect and to do it. Now, having said that, should you not do email? No, you can do email. It's fine. It's inexpensive. It can be an effective way to reach people, but you need to write the communication one-on-one to that prospect. It needs to be a personal communication, not a canned email that you're sending out to 3,000 prospects or 10,000 prospects. It doesn't work. People block it off, and it's not personal, and they don't know it. Email is a personal form of communication and should be marketed as a personal form of communication to those prospects. Don't expect that you're going to get a bunch of response for, a blast email. Now, having said that, can you do blast emails? Sure. Maybe you're marketing an intro of a new product or service, something general. We do blast emails and we market our videos to alert our customers that there's a new video online that they can watch or they cannot watch. It's meant as a help flow and assistance in their business without necessarily asking for anything in return. And that's the real key. Is it's a personal form of communication and you need to use it as such. And if you're doing it as a blast email, it needs to be done with, that you're trying to help them in that sense. You're not selling something in that end. I hope this has helped you today. If you like the content of this video, please like below. And if you want to comment on a future topic, please put a comment and please help a brother out. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.